look at this. 4,505 views, $18,864 in profit. That is over $4 per view, not per 1,000 views, per view. If this was AdSense, those same views would have paid me exactly $40. I'll show you the full breakdown of this specific account at the end of this video. YouTube AdSense is a trap. Most creators wait 12 months for a paycheck that won't even cover their groceries. But while they are begging YouTube for monetization, I'm using a system that makes $10,000 in 30 days without showing my face once. I've done it, my classmates have done it, and today I'm going to show you the exact math and the exact product that taught me to do it. No fluff, no waiting for approval. My name is Kari, and this channel is basically a lab. I test ways to make money on YouTube so you don't have to. I've made over $250,000 on YouTube without AdSense. No face, no viral videos, no waiting for YouTube to approve me, just a system. A repeatable system that turns views into real money. And it doesn't matter where you are right now. Maybe your channel just got demonetized. Maybe you're brand new and haven't earned monetization yet. I've been in your shoes before. The strategy is the same, and it works either way. Stay with me, because at the end of this video, I'm gonna pull up that dashboard and walk you through every single number. Do all the YouTube things. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hype it up if you want more. Before I get into the steps, I need to say something important. AdSense is the slowest way to make money on YouTube. I know that sounds crazy, but think about it. The average YouTube channel makes about $3 to $5 per 1,000 views with AdSense. That means if your video gets 10,000 views, you made maybe $40. Maybe. Now here's what I made from a single video with less than 5,000 views. Over $18,000. Same effort, way fewer views, way more money. The difference is not the views. The difference is the method. Most YouTube gurus will tell you to chase monetization. My channel exists to tell you something different. AdSense doesn't matter. What matters is revenue per view. And once you understand that one idea, everything changes. So let's talk about how to actually do it. The method is affiliate marketing, but not the kind where you promote a $20 product and make $4 per sale. That's a waste of your time. I'm talking about high-ticket affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. You find a product that pays you $250 to $500 or more per sale. You make a video about it. Someone watches your video. They click your link. They buy, you get paid. That's it. No product to create, no customer service, no inventory, no shipping. You just connect the right person to the right product and collect the commission. Now here's the math that makes this exciting. If you need $10,000 in 30 days and you're earning $250 per sale, that's 40 sales. If you're earning $500 per sale, that's 20 sales. 20 sales in 30 days, that's less than one sale per day from a faceless YouTube channel. That is not a fantasy. That is a math problem, and it's a very solvable one. $500 per sale times 20 sales equals $10,000. $250 per sale times 40 sales equals $10,000. Let that sit for a second. You don't need millions of views. You don't need thousands of subscribers. You need the right product and the right system. Now, the most important piece of this whole system is picking the right product to promote. This is where most people mess up. They go find some random $20 ebook and wonder why they're not making money. You need a product that does three things. 1, it solves a real painful problem. 2, it pays a high commission. 3, it already converts. My first video promoted tube mastery and monetization. $497 course, 50% commission, $229 per sale after fees. Over 80 sales, $18,864 total. And here's the most important lesson from that experience. I bought the course before I promoted it. People can feel when you haven't used something. It comes across as hollow, and it kills your conversions. The product I personally use and recommend right now is the Online Business Club by Dave Nick. When you buy it, you're not just getting a course, you're getting the exact system that's working on YouTube right now. Commissions of $250 per sale. And it teaches people exactly how to build faceless YouTube channels that make money without AdSense. Your viewer already wants what it's selling. The pain and the solution are perfectly matched. Now here's where I make this a complete no-brainer. Join through my link and you get 2 free bonuses. First, the Niche Quilting GPT, a custom AI tool that stitches your niche together with unrelated niches to create viral high-click concepts. You never run out of video ideas. Second, a free 30-minute one-on-one strategy call with me. First 20 people only. We will discuss your channel and strategy, and I'll tell you exactly what to do. Once those 20 spots are gone, they are gone. Dave Nick backs it all with a 30-day guarantee. Okay, so now you have your product. Now you need views. And here's where people overcomplicate things. You don't need to go viral. You don't need 100,000 subscribers. You need the right people to find your video. That's it. So here's the content strategy I'd use if I was starting from zero today, or if my channel just got demonetized and I needed to pivot fast. Step 1. Use what I call the experiment format. This is the most powerful tool in my lab. And here's why it works so well. It removes the need for you to be an expert. You're not a guru, you're not a teacher, you're a scientist reporting results. And viewers trust what you did far more than what you recommend. So instead of making a video that says, here's a great product you should buy, you make a video that says, here's what happened when I tried this. Examples of this format look like, I tried making $1,000 without AdSense. Here's what happened. I promoted one affiliate product for 30 days. Here are my results. I built a faceless channel with no monetization. Here's what I made. See the difference? You're not selling, you're reporting. And that's a completely different energy that viewers respond to. Step 2, target buyer intent keywords. This is the cheat code most people skip. Not all views are equal. A view from someone who is actively looking for a solution is worth 100 times more than a random view. So when you're choosing your video topics, ask yourself one question. Would someone searching this keyword be likely to buy something? Keywords like how to make money without AdSense, or best affiliate products for YouTube, or how to monetize a demonetized channel. Those are buyer intent keywords. Those viewers are already in problem-solving mode. They're looking for a solution. You just have to show up with the right one. Step 3, one clear call to action. Every video gets one job. Send people to your affiliate link. Not 5 links, not a merch store, not a Patreon. One offer, one ask. The more options you give people, the less likely they are to do anything. Keep it simple. Keep it focused. Now, let's talk about what this actually looks like over 30 days. Week 1, you pick your product. You set up your channel if you don't have one. You research 3 to 5 video topics using buyer intent keywords. You make your first video. This week is about building the foundation. Don't skip it. Week 2, you publish 2 more videos. You start watching your analytics. Which video is getting the most impressions? Which one has the best click-through rate? That tells you what your audience wants more of. Double down on that. Week 3, you now have at least 3 videos working for you. This is when the compounding starts. Each video is a 24/7 salesperson. It doesn't sleep. It doesn't take days off. It just keeps sending people to your link. Week 4. By now you should have data. Real data. You know which topics work. You know which hooks get clicks. You know what your audience responds to. Now you optimize. Make more of what's working. Cut what isn't. And here's the thing about this timeline. You might make your first sale in week 1. You might make it in week 4. But the people who quit in week 2 never find out. Consistency is the only variable you fully control. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Kari, this sounds great, but I just lost my monetization. My channel is basically dead. I hear you. But here's the truth. A demonetized channel is not a dead channel. You still have videos. You still have watch time. You still have an audience that found you for a reason. The only thing you lost is AdSense. I made $18,864 with my first video on this channel. That was before I had AdSense. And AdSense was probably your smallest income stream anyway. The creators who are winning right now are not the ones with the most subscribers. They're the ones who figured out how to monetize every view, regardless of what YouTube decides. And if you're brand new and thinking, I don't even have a channel yet, good. You get to build it the right way from day one. No bad habits, no dependence on AdSense. Just a clean system designed to make money from view 1. AdSense is optional. Revenue per view is the goal. High-ticket affiliate marketing is the method. The experiment format is the vehicle. Buyer intent keywords are the fuel, and consistency is the only thing standing between you and your first commission. If you want the full playbook, the exact system for building a faceless YouTube channel that makes money without AdSense, Dave Nick breaks it all down inside the Online Business Club. He drops new niches, new affiliate opportunities, and new strategies every single week. It's basically a cheat code for building the kind of channel I'm describing in this video. Link is in the description. Don't think of me as an affiliate. Consider me your strategic partner on YouTube. If you're serious about making money on YouTube without waiting for YouTube's permission, it's worth checking out. Now, I promised you the full dashboard breakdown. Here it is. 4,505 views, $18,864 in revenue. That is $4.18 per view. AdSense would have paid me $40 for those same views. Let me say that one more time. $40 with AdSense, nearly $19,000 with this system. Same video, same views, completely different result. That is what revenue per view looks like when you have the right system in place. This is not theory. This is not a promise. This is a screenshot, and you can build the same thing. That's it for today. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It helps more people find this content. And subscribe if you want to see more experiments like this. YouTube thinks you'll really like the video on your screen, so you should definitely watch that.